Today, I was called to a farm to treat a cow suffering from a severe hoof infection. When I arrived, she was clearly in pain. Her hoof was rotting, swollen, and she could barely put any weight on it. I started by carefully assessing the condition of her hoof. There were signs of necrosis, rotting tissue, and the smell indicated advanced infection. I also noticed foreign debris and small parasites embedded deep in the wound. The first step was to gently remove all foreign objects, parasites, and the necrotic tissue. This helps stop the spread of the infection and gives the wound a chance to heal. Next, I thoroughly cleaned the wound using antiseptic solutions, making sure the area was completely disinfected. Then, I applied antibiotic medication to fight off any remaining bacteria and reduce inflammation. Next, I thoroughly cleaned the wound using antiseptic solutions, making sure the area was completely disinfected. Then, I applied antibiotic medication to fight off any remaining bacteria and reduce inflammation. Finally, I wrapped the hoof securely with clean bandages to protect it and keep it dry. With proper care and rest, I hope this lovely cow will soon be pain-free and back to happily walking, grazing, and playing in the fields again.